Understanding OEM versus aftermarket parts, cost versus reliability. In mining, every hour of uptime counts. And one of the biggest decisions that shapes availability, maintenance cost and long-term fleet performance is whether to choose OEM parts or aftermarket alternatives. Today, we break down the real differences in cost, reliability and risk so you can make a clear, database decision for your operation. Original equipment manufacturer parts, or OEM parts, are built by the same company that designed your machine. In mining, this usually means Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi or Liebherr. These components follow the original engineering specs, and they are validated through the same endurance testing that the machine itself goes through. OEM parts typically offer the highest reliability. Studies from mining fleets show 5 to 15% longer life, and in high-load components like pumps, turbochargers and final drives, the life gap can be even bigger. You also get full warranty alignment and predictable performance in extreme heat, dust and load cycles. But there is a cost. OEM parts can be 20 to 60% more expensive than their aftermarket equivalents. And for older fleets, OEM supply chains can suffer from longer lead times. Aftermarket parts come from independent manufacturers. Quality varies. Some brands reverse engineer OEM specs and improve certain materials. Others simply chase the lowest cost. High-quality aftermarket parts can match OEM performance in non-critical components. Where parts like filters, pins, rollers and certain hydraulic hoses are common examples. In many mines, switching to vetted aftermarket wear parts saves up to 30% annually while maintaining uptime. But the risk shows up in high-stress components. Failures in injectors, bearings, final drive gears or cooling system components can lead to hours of downtime, or worse, catastrophic failures that cost hundreds of thousands. So how do you decide? It comes down to 3 factors. First, criticality of the component. Anything tied to engine life, braking, structural integrity or extreme pressure should lean on OEM unless you have proven aftermarket data. Second, duty cycle. If your site runs continuous high-load operations with little idle time, aftermarket failure risk increases. Third, traceable performance history. If you can't verify the metallurgy, machining standards or previous fleet performance of an aftermarket part, it becomes a gamble. Many top mining operations now use a blended strategy. OEM parts for critical systems. Certified aftermarket for non-critical rotating parts, hardware, wear components and consumables. This approach reduces maintenance costs while keeping uptime high. With the right data tracking, mines save millions over the life of a fleet. OEM versus aftermarket isn't a simple cost comparison. It's a reliability equation. If you look at component criticality, validated performance and the true cost of downtime, you can build a smarter parts strategy that keeps your machines running and your operation profitable. Like and subscribe and download our free checklist in the description.